Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison video between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro and the Honor View 10. Both of them are from Huawei with similar specs, so let's see how they fare in this test. Starting off with the fingerprint reader, they both unlock very fast and at the same time, so it's a draw. So as usual, as you can see, there are no apps running in the background, and the first app to be opened is the camera app, and they both opened up at the same time. Google Chrome browser will be going to the Verge website. And that loaded up first on the Honor View 10 as well as the advert. So I'm just going to quickly scroll down to load up some of the thumbnails, then scroll back up. So I'll just go to Amazon now. And a fraction second faster on the Mate 10 Pro. Hot UK deals, and it's faster on the Honor View 10. The Mate 10 Pro had some loading to do. Adobe Photoshop, load up the same photo, and slightly faster on the Honor View 10. Microsoft Word, open up a template, and that's faster on the Honor View 10 again. YouTube, open up at the same time, load up a video, again at the same time. Now when I press home on the Mate 10 Pro, it goes all the way to the home screen, so I'm just going to come back and close the pop-up windows. Asphalt Extreme. It seems to be slightly faster on the Mate 10 Pro. And it is. Super Mario Run. See which one opens first, and they're both at the same time. Skyforce, a game from the Symbian OS days. I recommend you check it out. Okay, the first logo came up on the Honor View 10, and again it seems to be faster on the Honor View 10. Yes, it is. Sonic Forces, and it's faster on the Mate 10 Pro. Spider-Man Unlimited, okay, the Honor View 10 has taken a slight lead, yep, and it was just fractionally faster. Temple Run 2, okay, seems to be slightly faster on the Honor View 10. Let's go to the title screen. Oh, and the Mate 10 Pro probably took the lead here. Let's see. Yep, the title loaded up first on the Mate 10 Pro, and I'll let that run in the background. So now I'm going to open all of the apps, and the camera app opened up at the same time for both of the phones. Google Chrome, they're both open in RAM. Hot UK deals, same again. Photoshop, and they're both open. Microsoft Word, again they are open. YouTube, so none of the videos are playing, however they are open, no reloading. Asphalt Extreme, both of the games are running fine. Super Mario Run, Yep, they are running fine as well. Skyforce running as well. Sonic Forces, and they are both running as well. Spider-Man Unlimited, yep, no problem here. And finally Temple Run 2, yep, that is running and it's a draw at round 2. Time for the Geekbench 4 test. Both of these phones are on the latest update on Android Oreo at the time of recording. They both have 6GB of RAM, the same Kirin 970 processor clocked at the same speed. On the CPU test, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro finishing at 3 minutes and 59 seconds, whereas the Honor View 10 finished 2 seconds later. In the single core score, they both have the same scores. On the multi-core, the Mate 10 Pro had a slightly higher score than the Honor View 10. And finally, the compute test to end this comparison. On the compute test, the Honor View 10 finishing at 54 seconds with the Mate 10 Pro finishing 4 seconds later. The Honor View 10 has a slightly higher score than the Mate 10 Pro. So that does it for this comparison video. The Honor View 10 did win round 1 by 3 points, but in round 2 it was a complete tie. Now if I were to choose from these two phones, then I would pick the Huawei Mate 10 Pro simply because it looks a lot more premium. It has a bigger battery, a better camera, and you can see that by clicking on the card where these two phones face off. And lastly, the Mate 10 Pro has desktop mode. What did you think about this comparison? Do let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then do consider subscribing to see more content. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.